Good morning. Myself, VINAY K.C. I'm completed my engineering in electrical and electronics and 2020 output. And I'm from Davangere. Then I worked as a PLC automation engineer for 1.5 years. And I decided to shift to software. That's why I came to join PySpider. And here in PySpider, they will teach from the scratch of full stack development, and then here for trainers are the best quality ever seen. Thanks to Rahul sir, Vishal sir, and Kushal sir, and I selected to Cody's Technologies Private Limited at the package of 2.4 as a business automation trainee. Thank you.